Hey Judy, what are you doing?
Document how silly I am. I liked JP in the interview and he does lousy here. And he looks lousy.
He does, wait, why does he do lousy?
I don't know, nothing memorable.
Nothing.
And he got a haircut. See, look how it's really short. And I got a big
oh, yeah.
name. Oh, well, there it is.
You put a star by his name?
Yeah.
You have a star system?
He was really cute at the interview. You know, the interview in the head?
Yeah. Well,
I have nothing but,
I don't think his hair looks bad.
Yeah, I thought he was really cute on the interview. And he's in real estate in New York. And where is she from?
Somewhere up in, yeah.
Somewhere up there. Oh, see, this guy's a personal trainer.